Olivia presents Welch's Grape Gelatin.
Hi, I'm Olivia's Gummy Bear. Today I'll teach you how to make Welch's Grape Gelatin. Step 1. Pour 1.5 cups of water into the pot.
Step 2. Ask the grown-up to help you boil the water.
Once the water is boiling, pour in the powder. Stir for 2 minutes. Stir. Now add 1.5 cups of cold water. Now let's stir some more. Pour in the bowl and put it in the fridge. Now the hardest part, wait 4 hours. Hey Alexa, set a timer for 4 hours. Now the best part, the taste test. Delicious! Welch's Gelatin, the perfect summer snack. Thanks for cooking with me. Enjoy.